What's up, guys? We're down here at the creek fishing with Hunter. Throwing swim baits and grubs. Should get a couple. There we go. Oh. Little smallie.
That was probably way too close. Oh. A little guy on the tube. Came out of freaking nowhere. Caught this guy on the little swim bait there. Not a bad one. Decent little on the tube. Oh my god, I broke my tip.
What the hell was that?
He actually broke his rod.
What was that?
He actually broke it.
What was that? Okay, so somehow Hunter just
I'm gonna fucking end up dead today.
Hunter just snapped his rod. Hunter, explain to me how that happened.
Well, my swim bait was up in the tree, and I went to jerk it out, and it kind of hit this rock here pretty hard. You
Oh
lost
my.
the swim bait too. Where is it? I saw it come out. Where is it?
Okay, so after a very eventful morning, Hunter broke his rod and then almost broke my camera.
Oh,
So, ow! Douchebag. That's the hole we were fishing. Nate caught one.
I'm gonna catch one again.
We're getting ready to go on a creek walk though, down the stream. So we'll get back to you guys whenever we hopefully get one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Johnny, dang it.
Oh, there's a nice one.
Oh, that is a good
Yep. Alright. Love you.
You give me one swing him?
Actually, I'll let him go like $2 bucks.
It's a nice little smallmouth. Oh, off a swim bait.
No.
Not bad.
I just lost like the best chance to fish.
Just throwing that little swim bait out there. There's a bunch of them with it.
That happening, you caught fish.
Dead. Yo, can you? Oh, fuck, I lost my power. Can you hold the camera and like zoom in? Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll catch you on the next one.